How to convert BTC to GBP on Coinbase. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to convert Bitcoin to GBP on Coinbase. To do it, so first thing first, make sure that you already have a Coinbase account and then log into your account. When you're logged in, from the home page, tap on the wallet tab, and next thing you want to do is click on convert icon. As you click on the convert icon, next thing you'll be taken to this sort of page. Here you'll be able to find three different options, that is either to buy, sell or convert. When you select convert, you'll be asked to type in the asset that you want to convert to. Since we are converting from Bitcoin to GBP, now type in that, and then you want to go ahead and select it. Next, you want to select to what you want to convert it. Since you're doing it to GBP, now select that and enter in the exact amount or the asset that you want to convert it. Once you've actually done it, so you read out all the terms and condition, and you can either sell it all, or maybe you could just click the convert button, and this way you'll be able to convert the asset. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.